Hello guys, today I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra and I'm going to show you how to fix cover screen not waking up. So as you can see, here we've got our cover screen. If it fails to wake up or stays black when you shut the inner display, they should typically stems from a display driver freeze, magnetic sensor conflict, or background software bugs. So at first you need to restart your phone. Just it. Hold the power and volume down buttons and tap restart. Here restart again to confirm, and now you need to wait. You need to wait, I would say 10 to 20 seconds, of course, because it takes that time, and then everything will be okay. Step number 2. Remove any third-party cases or magnetic accessories. The Z Fold line uses built-in magnetic Hall sensors along the edges of the chassis to detect whether the hinge is open or shut. Remove any protective case, third-party wallet sleeve, or MagSafe style magnetic attachment. If a magnet near the edge misfires, the phone believes it is still unfolded, keeping the cover screen completely unpowered while locked. Number 3. Check screen wake settings and AOD. Go to the inner display, so close your phone. And wait a moment, I need to put this right here so it will be comfortable to use. So open your phone right here in the inner display, open settings, and here you need to go to the advanced features. Of course, if it doesn't work, you need to use the outer display if it freezes, or if it's just going black from time to time or not waking up from time to time, you need to use this one. But if it doesn't work on this one, you need to use the outer, of course. Remember that. And here you need to open motions and gestures. Now you need to turn off at first. Double tap to turn off screen, and then of course turn it on. You need to, of course, between turning off and on, wait 10 seconds. Let me show you this on the big screen because I think it looks better. So here, now after that, you need to open display, and here in the display you need to enter cover screen, which is, I don't know where, here. Continue apps on cover screen and select here always. So that should be it for this. And what else can I show you actually? You need to test display hardware via Hinge Flex Angle. So open the phone slightly, around 40 to 35 degrees, and press the power key. If the cover screen turns on, the phone is partially open but goes completely black. When fully shut, the internal hinge ribbon cable or Hall sensor, which has physically degraded, requires unauthorized Samsung service repair. That's it. Bye.